Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. How strong is your general knowledge? In today's challenge, you'll answer 34 exciting trivia questions covering science, geography, history, animals, inventions, food, space, and more. Try to answer before the timer runs out, and see if you can earn a perfect score. Trivia quizzes are also a casual way to test one's knowledge on a range of subjects. We focus on small, obscure facts or pieces of information that might not be widely known, providing both entertainment and educational value. Tell us in the comments, how many questions do you think you'll get right before you start? Let's go! Which invention allowed people hearing distant voices? C. Telephone. Great start. Don't forget to keep track of your score. Where in the body are the smallest bones located? B. The ear. On which continent is the Sahara Desert located? C. Africa. Which planet has the fastest winds in our solar system? A. Neptune. Which substance forms from melted heated sand? A. Glass. How many have you answered correctly so far? Name a mammal that lays eggs rather than giving live birth. B. Platypus. Which scale measures total earthquake energy released? A. Moment magnitude scale. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? C. Inca civilization. Name the nation that displays a red circle on its flag. A. Japan. What vitamin is produced when sunlight hits the skin? B. Vitamin D. Are you still perfect? Don't worry if you missed at least one. Keep going. Which invention revolutionized European book production? A. Printing press. What organ stores bile before aiding digestion? A. Gallbladder. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? D. Indian Ocean. What galaxy contains our entire solar system? C. Milky Way. Which element colors emeralds with vivid green? B. Chromium. Keep your streak alive. What bird can famously fly completely backward? C. Hummingbird. Which cloud often signals a powerful thunderstorm? C. Cumulonimbus. Which everyday device uses GPS for navigation? C. Smartphone. Name the body's largest internal human organ. B. Liver. Identify the country with the most time zones. C. France. Here's another fun fact to test your brain. Which planet rotates tilted on its side? B. Uranus. Which metal remains liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. Name the marine mammal using echolocation expertly. D. Dolphin. Where do colorful ribbons appear on Earth? B. Aurora. Which of these structures was completed first? D. Great Wall of Chin. Pause if you need extra thinking time. Whose national flag is not a rectangle? B. Flag of Nepal. Name the mineral that prevents tooth cavities. D. Fluoride. Who created the first vapor compression cooling system? A. Jacob Perkins. Which blood cells transport oxygen through the body? C. Red blood cells. Which river flows through the city of Budapest? B. Danube. Challenge a friend to beat your score. What is the largest Kuiper belt dwarf planet? A. Pluto. Which force keeps planets moving in orbit around the Sun? C. Gravity. Which land animal has the highest blood pressure? D. Giraffe. Which atmospheric layer contains most weather events? D. Troposphere. Congratulations on completing today's trivia challenge. Whether you scored 10 or 34, every question is another opportunity to learn something new. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to Solve Loop, and share it with someone who loves trivia as much as you do. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.